Before we get started with conditions, let's take a look at comparison operators. You should remember them from math class. These allow you to make a comparison between two values. For instance, 1 is less than 2, A equals B, or A is not equal to dude. This is the full list. Programming is all about conditions. We think in conditions, right? Like when you think, if I wear aviators, then I will look like a badass. No one said your logic is always correct, but hey, you get the idea. So how does this work in PHP? Well, we use the if-else statements to do this. Here we have the if statement, the bread and butter of programming. Start with the if keyword, then parentheses. Inside those, we'll put our condition. Cash money is greater than 100. Follow that with some braces, then hit up the strip club. Next, we'll put else if cash money is greater than 10. Buy some beer to soak up your sadness. The else statement comes last, if all of our conditions fail. Maybe you should get a job with your new programming skills. But what if you have a lot of options, like I do, you know? Because I'm a total babe and sort of a genius. Well, you could use a huge if statement, or you could use the switch statement. It's a little more complicated, but easier to read. Let's do one. So how does this work? The switch statement takes the variable and then compares that to a bunch of different values. If the variable matches a case, it will execute the code block of that case. In the example, we switch our cases based on the operating system given. If the case matches OS 10, it will print the text, I am a Mac. If nothing matches, you'll get the default. How did you get here? Your phone? It's important to note that the switch statement will continue executing after the first case is matched. Usually, we don't want that, so we add a break statement after each case block. The break statement will jump us out of the switch statement. In the next lesson, we'll get really freaky with arrays.